Alright guys, so what we're going to do today is make a birdhouse. Alright, so first what we'll need is a knife, which will magically appear now. Okay, what we're also going to need is a piece of drywall, which will appear now. Okay, so what we're also going to need is a screwdriver, an electric one at that, and screws. Bam! Alright, so first thing is, okay, what we're going to do first, open up our knife and cut the section of the birdhouse that we want. So I'm saying right there, and for the second half, right there, and there. So those will be our two walls. We'll also need two more, so here and there. Those are our four walls, and now we need one for the ground. We'll put here. And we need two triangular ones, so we'll put that one here. And one here. Okay, so now let's just cut these out. Okay, to cut these out, what we need to do is get another knife. Okay, so what we need to do to cut these is get another knife and just start cutting at it. And this is what I just did to my camera. I think I scratched it all up. Great. Now I'm going to have to figure out how to fix that. So the birdhouse was a fail.